Rushmore, coming to you again from the studio on the issue of conflict-free dissolution of marriage. And, you know, before I jump into that, be remiss again to not mention how deeply moved and troubled we are in light of what's going on. You know, our nation's just now recovering from the pandemic, and now we have the highest amount of racial tension we've all encountered for many of us in our adult lives. And it is troubling and concerning, and we are praying for unity, strength, healing at this critical time in our nation. We are one, e pluribus unum, and we stand together. Anyhow, the subject that I'm coming to you on this second part is conflict-free divorce and the issue of what it really means to be conflict-free. And that basically means that mom and dad, you know, or the parents of the children, the managing conservators, know exactly what they want their parenting plan to look like, exactly how they're going to share time with their child, and they're going to actually share, and they're going to respect each other's wishes. They're going to respect each other's parenting styles, and they're going to continue to work together as a mother and a father, as they work together as husband and wife, or whatever that relationship, you know, those managing conservators. And, you know, they both had parental rights. Both parents have parental rights, and neither is going to interfere with the other's right to parent and rear their child. And that pretty much goes the same for property division. You know, they have a pretty clear idea of where their property is. They've shown each other how they're going to, you know, what they've invested in and where all the pieces are on the board. And they're going to divide the pie, you know, as evenly as possible. And sometimes there'll be some horse trading, you know, because there may be something more advantageous to one parent over the other. You know, there may be some vehicles that they've acquired over the years that one parent wants to keep. For example, commercial vehicles used in a family-owned business that may stay with one spouse, and, you know, commercial property or residential property that may stay with another spouse. But again, conflict-free. And like I said, I've done this a handful of times where clients truly have a conflict-free resolution, and it's great when they can do it, because something I always try to remind and tell clients in this situation is don't spend money on lawyers and things, because you need that money, you need those resources, and more importantly, you need your time to develop and grow your business, to develop and grow yourself, and to raise your family. So don't spend those resources on legal fees and fighting if that fighting doesn't involve something of merit, like you're protecting your family from violence, you're protecting your family from fraud on the community or wasting of the marital estate. Otherwise, you know, you need that money to raise and grow your family as it moves forward post-divorce. So I always encourage clients to strive to be conflict-free, but they've also got to temper that with the fact that they're not in charge of the other party's, you know, temperament, reactions, and actions. And that's something that can drive a case out of a conflict-free situation into a truly contested matter. Anyway, I hope this has been positive, uplifting, and helpful, and in some way educational. That is what it's intended to be. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys soon from the studio.